In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation rule in Wrike, a powerful tool designed to streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Whether you're a project manager or someone who just wants to maximize efficiency, automating simple tasks can help you save time and reduce the margin for error. Now, let's dive into the process of setting up automation within Wrike. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the automation section within your Wrike workspace. This is where the magic of automation happens. If you're not familiar, you can find this under the Tools or Workspace settings, where it is typically grouped with other features designed to optimize your task management. This area allows you to create and customize rules that can automate repetitive actions specifically for your team's needs. Once you're in the automation section, look for the Create Rule button. This is your gateway to setting up a new rule that will help automate your work processes. Clicking Create Rule will open up a window where you will be able to define exactly what you need. Take a moment to consider what processes you perform regularly that could be automated. This step requires some upfront time investment, but it's crucial for gaining clarity on what triggers and actions will most benefit your workflow. In setting your triggers and actions, you'll want a clear understanding of how these elements work. Triggers essentially tell Wrike when to initiate an action based on predefined conditions. For instance, you might want to trigger for when a task is moved to a specific section or tagged in a certain way. Think through the daily activities in your workflow. Something as simple as changing a task status can start a whole chain of automated events. Once you've defined your triggers, it's time to establish the actions. This is what you want Wrike to do automatically when your defined trigger occurs. For example, you could set it to notify a team member, change a status, or even create a new task. The key here is specificity. Being clear about what actions should follow certain triggers ensures your automation rules work seamlessly and avoid any unexpected consequences. After you've carefully assigned your triggers and followed through with the corresponding actions, it's essential to save your rule. Saving it ensures that your new automation is stored and ready to go live. You'll often find a Save button within the same interface where you created your rule. It's a simple yet crucial step, often overlooked, but it seals your new rule into the system. By following these steps, you've now crafted a new automation rule in Wrike. Over time, these automated workflows will become an integral part of your team's daily routine, enhancing productivity and eliminating repetitive tasks. Remember that Wrike allows for continuous adjustments, so revisit your rules if the needs of your team evolve. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.